Dear student, we are going to start our form of verb on page 24. Before start our parts of speech, dear student, you have to learn form of verbs from page 26 and 27. You are going to learn all form of verbs learned by heart. Move to your workbook page 28. Here you have parts of speech. Vian, as you are already writing in grade 3, but we are going to revise all parts of speech here. Dear student, move to the board. Whiteboard, look here on the board, parts of speech. This is just a read. You are going to read it totally by yourself. Here you have, the first one is noun. What is noun? Noun are naming words. It can be the name of a person. It can be the name of a person, place, ideas, things, people or animals. What are nouns? Noun is the name of people or animal, things, places, idea or feelings. Dear student, our next part of speech is verb. Verbs are action words. Here you can see found, draw, eat, sleep, drink. He jumps, he is eating an apple, he is sleeping, he is drinking. That's it. What are pronouns? It replaces a noun. It is used in place of a noun like I, we, he, she, your, you, me, your, etc. You can see an example in form of a sentence. Amir is a good boy. He gets up early in the morning. What are adjectives? Adjective describes a noun. For example, what kind is it? For example, short, tall, long. Ali is a tall guy. Okay. Similarly, it describes qualities of a noun also. I have a beautiful rose, or Amina has a pretty doll. Color, it describes color as well. For example, colors of any object. Similarly, how does it sound, smell, taste, look, feel? Next, which one is it? Is it the noun, for example, something or any object? Is it old or is it a new? For example, Ali is sitting on a new chair. Quantity, how many? For example, how many things or how many object or a noun or something you have? It describes quantity of a noun also. Here we have another part of speech, that is adverb. Adverb tells us more about a verb, adjective or another adverb. It answers this question when something happened, where something happened and how something. It answers of these three questions. How something happened and how much and why. So adverbs, how things are done, and it modifies a verb, and it also modifies an adjective and modifies and other adverbs. Dear student, we have here part of speech preposition. As you know that this position shows that this part of speech show position of any object. For example, position of something. The cat is under the chair, the cat is sitting under the chair, and the book is on the table, he is sitting beside me, and like that. Okay. Adverb, it modifies a verb, an adjective, another adverb. It tells us how something happened, when something happened, and where something happened. For example, Ali is running fastly. He was absent yesterday, etc. Interjections include the words that expresses feelings and emotions. Words used as interjections and with an exclamation mark. For example, whenever you say you are going to use such word, you are going to use after that an exclamation mark. Here it is an exclamation mark. For example, ouch, I tripped badly. Hello, dear friend, I won a prize. Alas, he died, etc.